Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And yes, let's see what we do in this market today. Market is looking beautifully bullish right now, but we don't know. We have CPI prints that came out basically at 8:30. We have core inflation rate year to year. We have inflation rate year to year, CPI and CPISA, initial jobless claim, and like basically this government is starting to create a couple of jobs in there. I see that like 2 days ago, but more than that, we see that the core inflation rate and the inflation rate is 0.4% lower than expected, so that put us a little bit closer to the target of 2%. The consensus was 3% for the core inflation, and it came out 2.6. The inflation rate was 3.1, the consensus, and it came out 2.7. The CPI was expected, or the consensus was 325.13, and it came out 324.12. So those numbers are looking good, that's for sure. And the initial jobless claims, that was the consensus was that's a little bit lower, but it's still pretty close to. So the previous was 237,000. The actual was 225. The consensus was 225, sorry, and the actual was 224. So just off there by 1,000. So that's not that bad. So we have Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index that came out -10. Previous was -7, and the consensus was 3 positive. So that's the only number that looks sketchy there, but more than that, looking good. So Marie, how are you doing today? How is everything going there?
I am doing well, DB.
Nice.
It's Thursday.
Is it Thursday?
Thursday.
Yes, it is. Yeah, okay.
Tomorrow is the triple witching day. Correcto? So that should be interesting. So
Yeah.
how are you doing?
Pretty good. A little bit sleepy, a little bit in pain, body-wise, but just because of, lack of taking care of myself. But yeah, so, but all good. I feel very good in general. Everything's going
Yeah, you
smooth.
seem to be in a really good mood.
Yeah. So what I was going to say, I was looking at the targets for SPY, for Nvidia, for everything overall around there, and the numbers are so high. When I look at them, like that was last week, that I say like, how the heck are we gonna get there? And like I don't think that there is that much upside. So, but like yes, we have been pulling back like quite a lot right now. But like CPI today, you see the reaction, like SPY, Nvidia, everything trying to pop up decently. So then we have tomorrow triple witching day, and we know what happened in those triple witching days, especially in the one that is the last of the year. So triple witching day basically is when all those options, like quarterly options, expire at the same time, the same day. So basically, and all that force market participation to buy or sell more shares. For example, when they have to buy to cover things like that, that's called gamma expansion. And when they have to sell, that's called gamma retraction. So it's something that contribute to extreme move. So watch out for either side.
Excuse me.
Like we have seen, like most of the time, for example, is the opposite of whatever happened in the morning. Like we can probably see Nvidia going all the way down and then all the way back up or backward, but we don't know what it is.
Exactly.
So we have to wait, and we just have to try to guide our position, our trades, without taking too much risk. So that's it for me. That's it information wise, and that I know that we have today. So if you hear anything there, just let me know. And at some point our good friend Zach is gonna be joining us. So Nvidia here, like I still have 2 trades on Nvidia. I have a day trade and I have a swing trade. But let's see where it wants to go. So Google trying to make it back, but like that one went down quite a lot. So I don't know. Yeah, like is there anything that you are looking at right now?
No, I did hold the trade overnight. I am going to, because it's going to be distracting. So I am just going to sell that right there. The QURL. I did get the price I wanted with the shares I wanted and made
Perfect.
2 Rs. So now, when I'm looking at the top, which is really weird, the number 1 in volume and the number 1 in RVOL, DJT.
Oh, really?
And when I say number 1 in volume, it doubles the TQQ and almost quadruples
And that took me
NVIDIA.
long to know what DJT is, you know?
Eh?
That took me very long to know what DJT
Okay.
is.
And
Are you kidding me? That thing is at $13?
so definitely there's something going on there.
I bought some shares of that like at $62 and I lose the crap out of it than that one, but yeah. That was very long ago.
Then we've got the TQQ. And what I'm seeing here is 2 things. When I'm looking at the top stocks, whether that it's Nvidia, whether it's TQQ, then I'm looking at Tesla, very similar, matching tape. It seems to be toppy there. So that's the only observation I'm going to bring forward. The 677, 670, the 677.42, 670, 678. So we've got a stack going to 678. And one that's pretty big is the 673, 78, 77. So that was the low of this morning. So that's going to be probably a range this morning. And when we're looking at the RSI, at those tops, they're very, very high there. So that's why that I'm thinking, is that a possibility of pulling back this morning? Yes. Though that, to Davy's point, SPY right now is over all of our indicators. So definitely over the VWAP, we're over the 50 by a lot, the 200 by a lot, and the 50. So, yes, the market is bullish at this moment. Everything, if we're looking at our tickers in our list, definitely green. But yeah. And when we're looking at yesterday's map, how it closed, our heat map, very, very red. Right? So the PCL is way low there. So we're really, really far from the PCL. Overnight, we definitely had some strong recovery, and this morning.
Okay, so, oh man.
So what do you see, Davey?
Well, what I see here, we are still within the trend. That's a problem. So if we would like to go short the way that you were suggesting that, like it will make sense that we go, like you say, 678 at some point. Like it's about the point that looks short-ish. The pullback I don't have as low as you do. Like I know you have a possible pullback to 673. You say?
With the tape. What there is, so there's 2. So 675 is one, and the other one is 673.80.
Okay, at 675.06, I'm expecting it to hold by the penny.
Okay, I like that.
If ever it go down that much. So the problem I have here is that we are looking like going away from that level. So right now, we have knowing that what day is today, we have the BAH at 679.58, which is the volume high note, whatever you call that thing. So I'm like, yeah, it's looking like if he wants to go there. If he goes there, he might get cross. So today is gonna be a very funky day in that matter. But like, let's say when I look at my chart here in the 1 minute, what does it look like? It looks like a long. But the problem is that the 400 moving average is on top of the 200 moving average, and until those two swap each other, I kind of don't trust it too much. So I will be expecting probably a pullback to 675 by the penny, and then go back up. So I'm gonna try to express that differently because I say today I'm not taking bad trades. You know, I won't be taking bad trades. I'm gonna commit to that. So I say 675 is my expectation here. So I think it can pull back to that. What do we have when we go there? What do we see in there? Well, that's actually our 5 minute to no, our 1 minute 200 moving average. So that can come back in there, test it, it makes all sense, and then go back up. Like if you see here, we are holding from pre-market here. What is it holding there? That green line here. You see that green line? You go above, you hold it there, and now it's taking off from that green line. So the problem is that this pink line here and this green dotted line supposed to be below for it to be a bullish setup for me. But as I say, triple witching day, market already went to the point that it's supposed to be bouncing back. It did bounce back. Now what we are expecting from it. So let's see. It's a clean move toward the upside, but I don't know. Like I like let's say right now, I have no trades on SPY. If I will be trading SPY, which I have a trade actually, but like it's overnight trade, so I shouldn't be taking a SPY until we get to 675, or I shouldn't be taking a SPY until we get to roughly 679.
Okay.
So it's a $4 range that we want to make sure we respect. So what about you? You are RGTI today, DJT?
Right now, I'm trying to find stocks that are at either a strong support, strong resistance, or close to it. And yeah, SoFi, Iran, and RGTI.
So the market is gonna open in 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Correct.
So just watch out for that. $72.40. All right. So I'm gonna liquidate the one I have on Nvidia right now. That's the overnight trade. There we go. That's just coming out. And I want to put at what price I want to come in, which is at 172.50. What's up, Zach? I'll be there. Oui, allô?
Hello, hello.
Parlez-vous
Bonjour.
français?
And there we go.
Right, so I have. What was that?
A big day today.
Yeah, it's a triple witching day, so let's see how it goes.
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow, yeah, right. Oh, it's true. I am talking like you today is triple witching, but it's tomorrow.
No.
It's tomorrow.
What is triple
tomorrow.
wishing?
Triple witching is when like a witching day is when the monthly options are expiring, and triple witching day is when the quarterly options are expiring in the same day at the same time, pretty much. So there is a phenomenon called gamma expansion, and like that happened during those days. All right, so clearly those things can keep pumping up.
So SPY now interacting with that level we were talking about.
I think SPY may find some resistance at 679, but let's see. I'm not taking. I have an order to get Nvidia loan, but like
Okay.
it's almost impossible that I will get it right now because of how high it is. Yeah, SPY 678, 70. Still can put another high.
So you've got, no, that's your old Nvidia, right?
Yeah, that's the old one. That's the swing. Zach, you still have that rule where you don't trade until.
No, I don't have that.
No, you don't have that? Okay. There we go, Nvidia. Come to me.
Are you short in video?
I don't want to short Nvidia there.
I thought you had a short.
No, I have a overnight long, which is a swing trade actually long.
Mhm.
And
You took profit there?
no, that was the overnight one,
Mm-hmm.
and I liquidated completely.
Sure.
The overnight I just got out completely because it's the one of the best price. And now I'm trying to go long again, but I'm trying to go long at 172.50. If it doesn't bounce 172.50, it probably won't hold much. So, and today I have the commitment of not having bad trades, so I will get it or I won't get it. But like, just like, I'm not willing to jump just because
No.
of this. Like at the 400, if you see, because he did react here, like the 174.70,
Mm-hmm.
it will be a good short. It's just like the market doesn't look short today, I would say.
I think SPY is up too much from the market.
I can tell you the price I have. I agree with you on that one. The price I have for that short is 678.70.
I have a range there.
So at 678.70, SPY is supposed to be coming back down.
But like opening at 1% up is like, you know.
Yeah, it's too extended. But also we have to remember that it have been beaten down. You know, like I mean,
Mm-hmm. A lot. 678.50 again. Should retest that.
all right. You have SoFi. Okay. 936, 937. Like the volume seems to be lower in the selling for SPY. If you see, like we
The
ramp it up,
RSI is curling
curling up.
up.
I think I'm gonna go long.
Yeah.
Let's not get smoky here today, right?
Spunky?
Smoky.
Smoky. Oh. I said
Did you say
On my
that?
level. Yeah, it's kind of risky now. Can go either way.
Because it's at the center of your level?
The top,
On the top? Okay.
yeah, the center of the big one, but the top of the small one.
I probably could guess that your big one is between 678.70 and 675.00.
677.50 to 676.35. It's a big one.
Wow. So far, okay.
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Excuse me. Okay, so SPY now is at the VWAP.
It seems like if I'm gonna get the Nvidia at the price I want it,
Okay.
which is nice, but it's requiring a lot of patience, I would say. Well, patience. I'm not looking at it. If I get it, I get it. SPY trying to go to 675 apparently. Okay, I got Nvidia now. All right.
Nvidia long.
Nvidia long. But I did wait. That technically, that's the best price I can get right now. Doesn't mean it will work. It's just like I did wait for it, and like what I haven't done the whole week, I did it in that trade.
Good job.
That's the alpha level there. So for the region where we are at,
Okay. So it's a local.
it's trimestral, but like
Okay.
but in the space it is,
Mm-hmm.
it is the biggest one. And like toward the downside, I have like it's supposed to bounce the bottom or the top. But for example, right now the top didn't hold that well, I would say, because it went down a little bit. Yeah, exactly. It across both of them, so it should be coming back. But that trade may not work the way I see. So it is the best price I could get, but it's not working good.
Okay.
Now, if I shouldn't be taking any trade until we get to 164, but I expect it to not go there, right? Because it's roughly $8 down. I'm pretty sure that my guy there have a different view of that level.
What's your
What?
point of view?
Like when the two sizes, like the band get across completely, what do you see on it? Like what do you normally do with that? You just
I
do
wait
some-
for the retest and go the opposite. If I see that it broke, strong.
Okay.
I'm long SPY.
Nice.
Don't know if it's gonna work.
So let's see what is the other price. Just put it on the chart for Nvidia. You haven't stepped me out yet, but like let's see. That level's supposed to be holding better, but it's not. So
Mm-hmm.
there we go. It's trying to come back up. Right now it's retesting the level as Zach just was saying. So in there I have the choice of coming out with no losses and short it, or believe that it will hold.
Okay.
And because I think SPY is strongish, I think SPY is more than strongish. Even Nvidia right now, I'm gonna hold for the long. It didn't step me out. It shouldn't step me out. So if it get me out, I won't take the long anymore.
Okay.
At least that plan is very clear there. So let's see if we get to be right or not.
It's trying to resist. Not looking good.
Like SPY, to be honest, my guy, like in my point of view, it's it should print 675 before going higher. Because what happens is that the moving average are a little bit messed up in there.
Yeah, 675.30 is on deck.
Like that pink line
Oh,
being
yeah,
on top of there is very
675 is
concerning to me.
675 is there.
Yeah, like the price I do have is 675.06.
Okay.
All right. There was like that. Nvidia looks more confident right now because he have a liquidity grab candle toward the downside, like
Okay.
from the downside. So let's see if he's gonna be respecting it or not.
That touch of the view up is no good for the long.
On a SPY?
Yeah. Let's take me out. Let's buy.
That's so crazy.
Hmm?
This is so crazy. SPY is doing exactly what I thought it would do. Go to 678 and then pull back. And I'm looking for loans.
Well, I think you guys. Like
Let's
even,
go.
even
It's
Zach,
like
I
I'm
think yeah,
upside
even
down.
Zach got stopped out, but I think that he's.
No, no, I didn't get stuff up.
You didn't get stopped out, okay?
Okay, you're still
By the
in there?
penny.
By the pen,
Yeah.
okay. But like I think you guys are right about like I see Marie going long sofa or something like that. Or like
Yeah, it was. I was looking, but now I'm looking at the pullback.
I have a big position too, but it's
You're
freaking.
looking to pay for everything back. Yesterday.
Yeah.
Good, good. He's putting some water in the thing that he said he's growing.
I love it.
Come on, come on.
Okay, at 26.
So David, what is the moving average telling you right now? That we should go higher. Right? But that doesn't mean it can stop me out. It could stop me out because it pierced it by a little bit too much. Like you see that's the type of thing like I say like it makes no sense like that is that well coordinated. My price, I got it without looking at the 200 moving average. Like I went and I look at the levels, I look at the tape, and I say this one seems to be the more likely and it's the alpha level.
Mm-hmm.
Well, when it got there, it was the 200 moving average in the 5 minute. Like it's so weird. Like look, if you say here, like I got the green line here.
Mm-hmm.
Like I can show it here too. Like, and that's what I say. Like there is a numerical thing.
Okay.
It has to be math for sure. I don't think we are that smart. Well, I think we are smart like that. But like what I mean is like, if you see Zach, what I'm saying here, like
I'm not.
it happen all the time. Look what my price is. The 200 moving average.
Mhm.
It was a level, and it is a level that have more than a month forming. So, my question is like, how does the market does to be averaging in a moving like that? That's not the first time. Like that happen a lot. That you get your 200 moving average, and there are 100 reasons for you to take that trade there. So it's just weird.
Well, you know, how many years now have you been observing?
Observating. Oh my God, she's talking in Spanish.
Ole.
Observating.
I've been observating. Ah, whew, that hurt.
Have you been spending too long with your Dominican family?
You're pulling a Joe there.
I know, that's why I'm trying to.
Oh, I can just imagine if that would have came out at home.
At home, yeah.
Ooh, I've observed.
You have observed.
Well, with
when
all
I notice
your-
it, when I notice it, it's because
you know it's
you know,
heavy. You know it's bad. You know it's bad. Oh my God, observating. Jeez.
I was
Louise.
observating.
Oof.
That thing, you know.
Oof. That thing. That thing. Oh, oh God.
My guy, you seems to be just shaking out there. I don't know, like, if you have a better price idea.
Like my next level is
Lower.
75.50 to 74.90.
Perfect. Oh my gosh. Look at her badge.
That was funny with Larry Tuesday. You said what?
Oh yeah. It's like everybody when I say that, I think I
They're,
say
they're
something.
all like, because in their mind, like that, you know, like that makes no sense. So you said what?
Yeah, but it's her badge. Her badge, the thing that
Yeah,
we have
because
in
you
our
don't-
shirts. So
Yeah, that's not how it sounds. You don't pronounce it that way.
I'm gonna stop saying it. Unless it's only second, you know. Unless there is no females.
Yeah, you had fun, Zach, yesterday?
Yeah. It was fun playing with my guy.
I can tell you the last one, he won that alone.
You were
Like-
sleeping?
In the last two, no, I told you like I am very impatient, so he was reviving me a lot. So
You were getting blown to miss.
yeah, and then he come revive me, and then it's like. But it's like I have watched those videos. You say, like there is a guy that put the phone like, oh, I'm gonna play half an hour Fortnite, and he played 2 matches, and I'm like, oh yeah, 15 minutes. Then he look again, like it's like 1 hour. Like yesterday when I came to realize that it was almost midnight. It was midnight already. It's like, what the heck is that? Did you see a spider?
I thought I did, but.
Don't scare me like that.
But you're okay with those now?
Oh, sure.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I thought it was cured. Okay, so now Spy. Whoosh.
What the hell? That's not nice. Have you seen what it does to me?
Yes, that's why I was trying to talk. But like at the same time, it's like it doesn't worse that you change anything, because that's why you do better than us, because you have like tight stop loss. Like look at Nvidia, how much it went down, and it wasn't able to check me out by about 40 cents. But in order to survive, for this thing to make a higher high, I have to have a wider stop loss. Like now I can tight it. Now I can be probably even breaking even, or add whatever. But like, it's to be able to stay hooked to the trade when you are right is a thing.
Yep. Mhm.
Here and there we take a big loss with that shit, because like for example,
Oh yeah. Like I
Like-
get if I'm in the mood of that, yeah, I'll get full plantain sometimes.
but like sometimes not even because you have a full plantain. Sometimes you did what you're supposed to be doing, but let's say you were not fast enough to put your like it's wonk, and then you put like you add another batch and it's wonk again. Like, but that doesn't happen very often. But it happened like that. You get like a bunch of hours lost. So
Oh, this is sweet.
oh man. But I think Zach, because it's very choppy, he may offer a decent price again.
678.30.
Do you have any clear level that you think that it worth the long, even if it's not the best price or not?
77.
677?
50. Yeah. But I think it's gonna go back down soon.
Okay, let's look at that tape quickly here. So we are looking at the tape for a SPY. Let's see how it's looking like. Yeah, I see 77.20 right now. 77.20. Okay. What the heck is going on? Let's remember that Marie said that the highest thing was DJT today. How much is DJT high?
It's trading at 6,000 Arval
Mm-hmm.
and 35,000
Still after the open?
after the open.
Are you kidding?
Apparently, what I've heard is that it's e-made, or that now it's in a. They're acquiring another business that makes no sense with what they're doing.
It's
They
34% up.
35, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god. But what I mean, like, and I don't want to sound like I don't want to sound wrong in that, but like, let's say you remember that he wake up Like the day that he say, "Oh, today we're gonna pass the tariff" and thing like that. That day, that announcement was at 1 p.m. and at 6 a.m. before everybody wake up, I guess, because like he went in the app and he said, "Oh, today is a good day to buy DJT." You remember?
Mm-hmm.
So like there might be something coming back, but yeah, and tomorrow being triple witching day, you know. Marie, can you say Venezuela?
Venezuela?
Repeat that, please.
Venezuela?
Okay, yeah.
¿Por qué?
No, you don't say, you don't have the same accent. Like you say it pretty good. It's just like I find that when he say Venezuela, it sounds so funny. That you're
Oh!
right. Yeah.
See?
Yeah. And you're like, what? Why did
Do
you?
you? See? I haven't.
So I thought that it was because of the English, but you say it normal, like Venezuela.
Venezuela?
That long would have been good. Just took me out before.
No, for me, what I like, what I find, what I enjoy you and Blairy saying is when you say 1,000. That is
Fun.
that is probably one of the best like strong accents that you guys have.
Say 1,000.
1,000.
I love it.
My guy, to be honest, I would drop off if I were you. Like and like, but I'm gonna say it just because I it's like, but it's you, but like whatever. 67700 seems to be very attractive. There is a level there. There is a VWAP there.
Front running it 10 cents
From running at 10 cents. Okay.
on the tape.
It's the middle of my range, so like and you will be able to break even once you go above 678.70. But to chase it there is like a whole dollar move toward the downside probably. So I'm just trying to make sure like that I'm useful to you if in the matter of like, hey, don't miss the trade because it looks extended but it's not extended.
You mean
Six-
670 what?
677.00, but Marie suggests 677 things.
That's not gonna go there though. Right now it's going up to 679.50.
There's a level there?
Yes, I do have one.
At 679.50?
I have it. Yeah, I have it. That's.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you the precise number. I have 679.58.
Okay, the position's at 50.
I have a level 2 in there.
Yeah, but it's okay. A couple cents on SPY makes no difference.
Oh man, I got stepped out of that trade.
No.
It's okay, my guy.
The long
You keep
from the
your
bottom.
process.
got shake up.
Yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Ay, 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 Wilma.
Canta y no llores, porque cantando serás cielito lindo, los corazones de tu sierra morena, cielito lindo, vienen bajando un par de ojitos negros. Cielito lindo de contrabando. Canta y no llores. Porque cantan. That's a birthday song. Do you know that?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Now, how come your parents have not sang that? Or
But,
Larry's parents?
they do eventually, but like it's officially like Mexican. So
Oh God, the one that they sang for Joe, that was so long. Whew.
yeah,
I never heard that one.
that one is Dominican.
Okay. Yeah, that was nice.
DJT seems to be scarily long. Look at the expansions of those moving average. So, and they are in the perfect order with the VWAP right on top.
Okay.
So like that's an ice cream with the cherry on top for sure.
Like, Spy looks so toppy there, eh?
Actually, if you see, I have a line right there, right a little bit above.
Okay.
It didn't went there by 70, like by 10 cents. Yeah, I print 678.59.
Okay.
At my level is at 678.70. Ay, 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 ay. Canta y no llores. I like the Quebecois one a lot. The guy that sing very fast.
Oh God,
One
that's funny.
that Pierre was putting.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
And then was another that Will showed me. That is a Christmas. That it sounds like if people are working in a mine and like they have boots and they do woo woo. Probably gonna have to look for it. I'm pretty sure you both know it for sure. It's a traditional Quebecois music for Christmas.
Hmm.
Is this for Christmas? No, maybe it's not for Christmas, but like I hear it during Christmas.
I bet it's more of a New Year's
New Year's?
song. Like there's a lot of songs that we call them chansons à répondre, and where the lead singer sings, the rest of the group repeats. We
That's kind of,
answer it,
Yeah.
and those are really for New Year's Day. C'est dans le temps de jour de l'an.
That one.
Okay.
That
Wow.
one, yeah.
Of all the things.
In a mine.
That's not in our mind.
Well, like
But they stomp. But they stomp.
you know, I don't know if you watch like those Vikings anime in the past, like animations, and they were going to the mine and like they were singing that thing and they.
Yeah, it's like a working.
Yeah, like it's a chant.
Music.
Okay,
like a
so
chant.
you're talking Snow White and the Seven.
That will sounds like, but like let's say, I'm thinking about a very specific movie.
You're talking Asterix, I bet.
Asterix, yeah, for sure. It's
Why am I getting stuff from you
exactly
today?
that.
You're freaking me out.
It's exactly that
Yeah,
one.
those are. I've recorded one Asterix. We're going through the channels and I'm
Oh,
like,
I
oh
watch
my
it 100%.
God. Oh, I love Asterix and Obelix. Those are so funny. And I've recorded one. I can't wait to watch it. I think it's Asterix et
Yeah.
César. But yeah, Asterix et Obélix.
These two guys.
Yeah. Quand le petit va.
Fire is reversing. I
Yeah,
don't know why.
Yeah, it looks really toppy there.
but guys, I don't know if you want my opinion, but like, if you want, just ask for it. I promise I will shut up about it if you don't say I want to hear it. And it's not a big deal. Like, I don't want to contaminate you. That's why I don't want to say it just like that.
Okay, there.
Yeah. At the end of the day, if I have to be right, if I am right, I can share what I'm seeing.
Okay.
Yeah. De tus tierras morenas. But like a game I want to play with Zach at some point, and like it has been my fault because I haven't taken the time. Like, and I have been. I actually installed the game. It was League of Legends. I actually watch people play
League
it.
of Legends?
Yeah. But I don't know if ever you are back on that or like if you want to play. Like,
Yeah, we can play.
yeah.
Do you play that, Zach?
I played my whole childhood.
You played what?
My whole childhood.
Whole childhood.
Child.
Oh! Look at you.
It's a very strategized game. Like,
Okay.
and they compete worldwide. Like this. Like, there are people that are making a lot of money on that game. But like,
It's the video game the most paid.
yeah.
The best paid.
We are saying that they are
Maybe-
making millions of dollars per
You're
game.
kidding me.
Yeah, they're pro players.
But they don't do all the things, you know, like the people we are talking about.
Yeah,
It's
they
like literally they go to a room for 8 hours, maybe more, and like that's what they play.
wow.
Like I watch, I think it was a documentary. Yeah, it was a documentary in Netflix about League of Legends and the gaming world and blah blah blah. It's like they go to this place and all of them have like a uniform, like
Yeah, it's like a team.
yeah, the team uniform. Yeah.
Wow. That's serious?
Yeah. You have SoFi? Yeah,
Mhm.
SoFi. Got you. SoFi loan.
But
Ooh, that's looking good, Marie.
not sure about that for long. Right now I'm looking at this level. This is going to tell a lot. We've got a large position at 26, but we've got competing levels as well on the offer. But it looks like 26 is going to give it up. Like, but so long. Like, I really don't want it to go below the VWAP, but okay, so we've got SPY now interacting with the VWAP and the 50 EMA in the 1 minute for me. For the SPY, if you go to 26, I will break even.
De tus tierras morenas y el embajador.
77, right?
Yes, it's very close to there.
Yeah. Trying along right there.
Could be lower. I'm gonna break even. I can't believe we're gonna go and get you. If we get you, I'll go back. Break even. You wanna come? Come. Okay, so we've got SPY now. Let me go back to SPY. Do, 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 do. Okay, so what an accelerated tape for SPY.
From what I remember, we didn't have any more numbers coming out. Let's double check that. It's at 10:11 already. Yeah, we have no more things coming out that are relevant. Tapes are accelerating right there. I don't know what is going on.
It's going to really downtrend.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oof. We are going to.
Let's zoom out.
It's so hard to read thing.
You
Maybe
what?
not.
The high volume note for the day on SPY is at 676.30. That's the highest volume print today. 676.30.
On mine it's 678.11.
Like because it's competing between, like it's gonna switch from both. Those are the two
Yeah.
biggest.
Mine is really far from the other.
But like for example, right now, just right now, it swapped the to the 678. But when I talked to you, it was 676.30.
Mine is 12,000 in the 678 and 31,000 and 678
Mm-hmm.
and 15,000, so twice as more as 2 times more
Oh yeah.
than 678.
Yeah, in mine it showed them very close. I don't know why the discrepancy there, but yeah.
Mhm.
Un par de ojitos negros, cielito lindo.
An executive order signed. What is he freaking signing today? Ugh.
Markets are gonna be closed forever. I'm the owner of the market now.
I'm the king of the market.
All the shares belong to me, and I don't want to sell them to anybody.
God.
Unless you want to pay big.
Yep.
Ay, 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 ay.
It's a catchy song.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
Oh no, hey. Don't be sorry for that.
You see the volume note? Like right now, it's flashing between the 678 and 676.30. So 676.30 right now, holding it better. Then it flash again.
Mine is still far, but yeah, I don't know why it's so different.
So, as we said this morning, when we were looking how the map closed yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
at the close was in bright, bright red. Now it's bright, bright green. We don't have a whole lot that's not green right now. We've got Apple, IBM.
IBM is green?
IBM is red, so we
Red,
don't have
yeah,
a
okay.
whole lot of red.
You have my account?
Which one?
My account?
I'm trying to get the ticket name.
It's okay, my
Yeah,
guy.
no, there's no ticket name there.
You can put mine there too, you know? Well, for the week, for the day, I'm green. But like, yeah. You got you out, Zach?
Still in.
Telling. Yeah, like IBM red, the overall market green. Like that used to be.
Apple,
You
a
remember
little-
yesterday that we have the Mac 7, most of them red?
it was bright red.
Yeah, but today,
They're bright green.
IBM being kind of reddish is a it makes sense. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
The IBM will be red and the Mac 7 green because like it's kind of opposite correlated, I will say.
Oh, okay.
They are not correlated, but it's an opposite reaction if ever.
I did not know that.
I will shut off, that's for sure. I will shut off.
If that doesn't work, that's my last trade.
Okay,
Okay, pulling back.
Nice.
675.60 is on deck.
and if you work, we do a party.
Yep.
You
I
will-
do a party tonight already. You wanna come? For that?
Oh my god, I don't know if I'm gonna make it on time because it's gonna be like, you saying like 4 hours driving?
4.5.
It's, yeah, almost 5.
Yeah.
It's funny because Bloody have her party today too. Her
Mm-hmm.
Christmas party is tonight.
Tonight.
So I have to come home early. Whee!
Yeah, they work so hard though, eh? Till the last minute, and when you get the party, you don't want to go because you're just drained. But she always
Yeah.
enjoys it.
Yeah, it's like. I'm pretty sure Zach is not there yet, but like, when we pass certain, we don't know if it's the age or if it's the stage. But like, there is a point, a line that when we cross the line, we find each other like, hey, yeah, we should meet the Saturday and do this and blah, blah, blah. And then you have a big party for Saturday where you have freaking invite everybody. And Saturday before the 2 hours, like 2 hours before the party, you say, damn it, man, why the heck did I do this? Like right now, I just want to sleep, you know? I want to stay at home, quiet.
I don't think it's the age, it's the stage.
Is the stage?
Yeah. It's the stage.
Let's go spy. I'm heavy on that trade too. So
Yeah, that was what I was going to ask you. It's like if you were reading my head in there because I was going to ask you were you heavy there that you were saying like, oh, I might be out if it doesn't work, but like it's a good
but
thing.
heavy, but stop loss at the same risk, just
Okay.
tighter.
Okay.
Don't know if it's called revenge trade or
It depends how you feel it, but like, did you get 677 precisely? Like
lower actually.
you went with a limit order, right?
76.5. Wait.
If you went with a limit order, it's unlikely to
Ah.
be revenge.
I didn't win with a limit, but because I don't know how to place them on the thing. But
Okay, but you did wait for your price.
yeah, I took partial. Now I'm green for the day if I
Woo!
Brilliant!
take
That's
just
my
come
guy.
back 4 hours.
But I'm sorry, I'm gonna be very opinionated there, but like,
Mhm.
you are heavy on that shit, you know? Like, I don't know if you know what I mean. Like, that's why you are feeling the stress when it's coming down. Like,
Yeah, like it's $200 risk.
But that's the
No, but like-
risk though that's you were expecting though, right?
yeah, but
Zach?
just in that he make 4 hour. Like, what I'm doing is good. Like you do you like you
No,
do.
but
What I'm saying is
went-
like if you find a way to reduce the stress that you are feeling when it's coming down, maybe in 2 shots, like even if you had the same
Oh.
size, but like what I'm saying, if
2
you
orders.
move, yeah, exactly, like
Yeah, that's what I did 2 orders. I entered the first at 77, then I watch. No, not 77. 76.48. And I wait for it. When it broke, I enter again with. So I was twice my normal position, but I moved my stop loss to halfway closer.
okay.
It was like
Well,
same
basically,
risk.
my opinion in what you are saying there, Zach, is just like you see whatever size you are taking. Like I'm not saying it's wrong or it's right. I just say like I am talking by my experience in this matter specifically. Like whatever size you are taking, I find that it didn't move too much yet, and like the heat that you are feeling while it's coming down, like how much heat you are feeling is directly related to your size. Like one way of dumbing that is like to go very small, and like you say, oh,
Of dimming that.
dimming that, yeah. What did I say?
Dumbing that.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's like going very small and you see it breaking your level and you say, haha, I'm not losing that much. And then you add and it's like, okay, you have to get used to that because like I mean, not that you have to, but like that's what we are doing kind of here. Like we see it going against us and we say, you know, it's not that bad. I can double down there.
Mhm.
Because those shakeouts that it happened to you, it happens so freaking often that we have to figure it out. How do we handle this? Because then you get shake out and you are trading tilted.
Yeah, I was a bit tilted.
But good job, my guy. Good job.
I'm taking partial on the way up.
Nice. That's my guy.
680.
You know what first I got?
No.
676 or 55.
Oh,
Holy crap.
say, that's a sweet one.
It's the same. I tried it before
Yeah.
on the where I got shakeout. I did the same thing, but it didn't shake out.
So I'm just gonna mark it there. That's that one.
So
I look.
79 is to watch.
You see what I'm saying? Like about the levels. Look, that price you got is the 400 moving average. So, by coincidence, for sure.
Okay. It's just a coincidence.
So I'm gonna practice something to keep more share for the run.
Okay, you're partially smaller.
But I have 2 shares left, 2 contract left.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna try to let it run, but still have my stop loss for it to catch if it come back down too much.
That is insane.
I don't know if I should try that or just take profit there and walk away.
It's like, for example, me saying, and I said it to Marie yesterday, and I probably said it to you too. Like, tomorrow, I am not taking bad trades. I'm not taking bad entries. And like, it took an eternity to get the good price. Like, you, by whatever reason you did exactly the same. Like, you wait for your levels.
Mm-hmm.
Like, look how many times, like, it went above. It traded around there during the pre-market. Market open, it pierced it down. Then it trade and use it as a level of resistance. Then it break through with a lot of volume, went up. Then it come and tested again. And this is where you gave it the shot, I guess. Or in the, I don't know if you gave it here or here. But it's clearly, you are getting a good price or a price of interest. If you are wrong in the direction, that's another thing.
I tried it at 9:44. Then he shook me out.
Mm-hmm.
My stop loss was 676. He shook me out. I tried back on 10:18.
Nice.
So I'm out of the position because it touched one of my levels. Now, if I follow my thing, I go short. I can go short small.
Yalla.
Okay, the tape.
I'm short a bit.
You flipped your position to short?
Yeah.
De tu tierra morena, cielito lindo, vienen bajando. Un par de ojitos negros, cielito lindo, de contrabando. Yeah, my guy Maria and I are gonna shut up about that one.
About what?
About his short in there. I can see through Marie's head right now.
I know.
But it's good. It's
You're
good.
reading my head?
You are doing good, my guy. So.
But if my level works, it should reverse. It touched it by the penny, then reacted to it.
Un par de ojitos negros, cielito
It's
lindo.
too high for Spira now in intraday. I think so. Let me cook.
Yeah, for sure. Are you gonna be waiting for the lunch?
Yeah, I like that. Let me cook. Look at you. Let me cook.
Or let me get cooked. I don't know.
Yep. There's still, if I'm looking at the RSI, there's still room to grow.
Yeah, the tape is scary.
Yep. There's still room to grow.
Sorry. Just that the chair is a little.
Yeah, I know
It's making
somebody.
a lot of wink.
Yeah, I know. And for me, a chair like that, even in the vehicle, like when you borrow the vehicle,
Yeah.
and same with Blairy, when I get into the car, you
But-
guys like to like lay back in your seat there.
It's the opposite. You guys are too straight.
Okay, so
It's
well,
you guys specifically because I have driven other people's car
yeah,
here. Like I have drove Pierce, I have drove Max, I have drove Zach.
see,
Is you guys, but that's very healthy. hopefully we're gonna follow your.
Yeah,
your
well,
lead.
for me, it's the
But
same thing for
You guys see them, I am like, what the heck? It's like, why I'm bending forward like this, you know? You're like, oh my god.
But it's so important for me. Like, and I guess you've got to understand. Some days, I was driving 14 hours a day.
Yeah, so
Right. So in 2,000 kilometers in a day. So for me, the position to be very straight
It's
when
important,
I'm
yeah.
driving, it's important. But when I drive Larry's car, or when you borrow my car,
Yeah.
and then I get back in and I'm like, ooh, I'm pimping here. I feel
But-
so laid down.
but if you
Those
see, I
chairs
look
are the
straight.
same.
In the car, I look straight.
No.
Yes, I do.
Okay. If you say so. No.
Like, you don't see my arm like this. I am not like this.
Oh no, you're not
Like,
that far
that's
because
not-
you're far. You get close to the. But oh yeah, like I get in and what just happened?
But I can tell you that even in the front seat, everybody that got in your car during those vacations was like, oof, why is this so forward? Can I move it back? He's like, yeah.
Oh yeah, so that's why, like for you, when you were saying, "Hey, do you want a comfortable seat?" This is very comfortable for me because
Okay.
I'm like this. When I'm in those, I find that I'm slouching or going back.
But I can tell you, like, for example, like, I have, very often I have, like, back pains and things like that. So, like, depending on how I sleep and blah, blah, blah. My car, like, it changed a lot from day to day. Like, if I have,
Depending on how
yeah,
you feel.
like, I will move it to wherever it feels like more release or something.
Okay.
But, like,
And these, because they're there, I have a
they're
tendency.
well,
Yeah, I know, but I have a tendency to lean on one or the other. So my position again
It's
is
not
not
straight.
exactly. So no, I don't. I know they're supposed to be, and they're comfortable on your butt. But and even that, I find here it's even my look. When I stand, I'm not even leaning back. I need to be even straighter than the chair that's there. So no, me those chairs.
how are you doing? Do I look good like that?
Walk. So no. Okay, so Spy now seems like the 680.
Cielito lindo de contrabando.
680.
Ay, 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 ay. Is it today the day that we are gonna be coming out of the valley? Ooh, probably. Oh my gosh, we are doing so good in the MBDA.
I'm almost to the point I'm gonna take partial.
My guy, like this is not about who is right or who is wrong. So if you are feeling like it's speaking with your idea about your trade, and like whatever we are discussing here, like just
What's your stop
let
loss?
us know. Like
It's a bit above there. It's breaking my level now.
Okay.
okay,
What do you see on the tape, Davey?
the tape
Yeah.
is too bullish in
Yeah.
my opinion.
I find the tape is very bullish as well.
Yeah,
Okay, so it's almost to the point.
it's not only on
Hey.
SPY. If you see, like for example, if you see the tape on Nvidia, look at how the sizes they are all at the ask, at the ask, at the ask, at the ask. Something went blank in there. What went blank in there? Okay, maybe flip now. I don't know if Zach survived. Something went blank
I
on the
did.
tape. That was pretty weird. Well, we have it recorded. You saw the tape blanking in there?
No. I didn't see the blanking.
Yeah, I just paused and it was like blank.
Hmm.
Ay, 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 ay. There we go. So, Spy may have a swank to the 679.07, but let's see. It seems like if you want to come back and test this price specifically, that price. Let's see if it's gonna.
Okay, I have a question for you.
Yes, boss.
how would you do, and Mary too, how would you do, like, I get out of my position too soon. That's a problem.
On the long.
Long or short, like the other day it was short. Yesterday. How do I not get out of position?
Oh my God, you wanna laugh about it? I got
I'll
that.
answer after.
I
Leave
got
you
I
there.
got the answer from you, Zach. I got that answer from something you showed me.
Go. Go for it.
And like you see those levels, like you can evaluate which one hold and which one didn't hold, and the one that were violent for more, like I start doing that exactly when I start being red last 2 weeks probably. Like I start doing it and then I went red. Then I start having like the problems with the days. But basically, like the most clear way I have to explain that, let's say, is let's assume that I went long like you went long here on Nvidia, on SPY. The level I had was 675.04. At the open, we attempt to go there, but we didn't win there. So, and then you have a level here that is making sense. And then those two blue line here, that blue line there, and this blue line here, the reason why they have the blue in the red is because they were the most relevant levels that I had for today.
Okay.
So once you have across the level by a couple, like by too much, that's too much here. The first time it across it, you see how it came and tested, and then it went back up. Right now, I will have problem taking shorts. So if we come back to here, I want to go long. If we come back under, I want to go long. Why? Because the level that is being pierced by more are the level toward the high. Did that answer you? Kind of? Like do you understand
Like-
what I mean?
I have the same level as you on
Uh-huh.
that chart.
Okay.
So what I did is I took the trade. I took partial when it was at the top of the mountain on the left,
Mm-hmm.
the peak on the left. I took like
This
one
this
quarter
one?
there. The other.
This one, okay.
So I took a quarter when I was there. Then it went higher. Then because my other levels, so your level, there's a chance that the price may reverse from there. You know what I mean?
Yeah. But if
So I'm
you
like, okay, let's take more there. And then the price was hesitating
Mhm.
at the top level. So I say, okay, let's keep the profit and get out.
Okay.
And
You see that
I don't-
that is one 1 minute candle, and we close above. Like here, that 1 minute candle. When we pierce the first level, it actually closed above.
yeah, but the second one, there's 3 candles touching it and rejecting it.
At what price? At the 678.70 or the 679?
679.12.
Exactly. That line, I don't know if you see, I put it now. I didn't have that line before.
Had it.
So basically, if I only have this line right now here, we across it right away, and we stay
Yeah, but-
above right away.
What if you add the 679.12 like I did? That was a point of that it could reverse.
Yeah, like it's not as clear. But
After you're done, I'm gonna
Yeah.
add something.
it's not as clear, but the fact that we pierce this big level here by and we close above, like the fact that we pierce the first one, I will automatically believe that we're gonna be trying to pierce the second one too.
Mhm.
But for sure, to take partial, at least to take partial in there is a must.
And I said it on the stream, like I'm gonna practice keeping some shares.
Mhm.
I didn't do it.
And like for example, like there are trades that are like brain dead. Like for example, you have to literally forget about them. But like just to close up my opinion on that SPY, you know, right now we are trading above the BAH, and like let's say for we still have like roughly 40 minutes here. So I'm gonna try to do what is my future for the next 40 minutes here, what I'm expecting to happen, and and that may give you some information related to your question. But let me just make sure that I put all the data first. So right now at 680.70, so 680.70, right there. I have a level right there. So, and I have
Somewhere.
a level. It's a trimestral one.
So what?
Trimestral, like 3 months. And then is 683, 683.63. 683, let's say roughly there. So right now you see how we are accumulating forces right before the level. So my expectations here is that it will cross that. If I got my trade from 678, let's say from this level of support here, from here, if I have it from here and it does across that line, I will put a break-even order with a step out order at this price. Like for example, that's why I say brain dead. Like I am not thinking about the trade. If it works, I don't care. If it I like good, and if it doesn't work, I'm risking nothing. In your case, you have this entry here. You could do the same. Like say, okay, I think it can go to this price. Why it could go to that price? Because the volume significantly change only above that price. Below the price, the volume that is here and the volume that is here is very similar. So it shouldn't have problem to go through that.
What's your top level?
683.67.
I got 682 before, but
Yeah.
Do you have a level at 681? 681.30?
from 81.50 to 82.20.
Okay, well, strap on, you're going there.
Like
Yeah.
look at the
That's-
680.70. How it's rejecting it now.
And that's my strategy too. Like when it breaks one, it's going to the other one.
Correct.
Perfect.
So I should have held for sure. The risk was
So
good.
probably you have
So-
the right idea and you are just not used to it. But let's.
Correct. So just so to add some technical, what I do a lot of times as well is that if it's consolidating too long at a certain level and it starts to look toppy, like it did at 678.20. So 678.20, 678.25, it was consolidating there for quite a long time. So then what I'm saying is that if it looks toppy, and I say that sometimes, ooh, it's starting to look a little toppy, I'll double down. I'll take twice a partial. I'll partial twice, or sometimes even 3 times.
Sometimes we look at it and we just say, that looks like it all out.
Exactly. So then I'll partial and partial
Especially
heavy.
when the quality of the bounce is dead on.
Yep. So then I'm saying, you know what? That's a little toppy right now. So I will double my partial or triple my partial. And then when it comes back down closer to the price that I've got, I'm able to reload. So then I'm able to stay in the trade a little bit longer. If it does, though, breach a level or it's on the way to against me or against my trade, I will de-risk my trade to then add at a lower price if I believe to get a better price at that point. So if I do get, as an example, if I go long on SPY and I decide to go long at 676 as an example, and I say, hey, you know what, it went up to there, it's gonna come back down, and it's coming back down, I'll double, because there it consolidated there, I might at 678.20 do a double or triple partial, but then I'll add once or twice when it comes back down to 676.25. So it's just different ways of trading, but for me what it did is it permits me to stay in the trade when it does come back down, because I've got less shares, so I'm able to survive the heat, as we call it. And then because it comes back down very close to a level that I may have, like we said, the 676, and it doesn't want to push down there, well then I will double and add twice, and then you're close to the same position that you had, but you took 3 partials or 2 partials at the top.
That's something I get stuck in a lot that I see.
Okay.
Is, let's say I see it hesitate, but it's one of my level. So technically I would short from that if I see it. Let's say I'm long.
Mm-hmm.
I see it hesitate at the price 79.13 that it did.
What do you look at as, do you look at, you said you don't look at the RSI. So what would you look at to see what the tendency is?
It's stochastic. I
Okay.
have 2 stochastic, and a long one and a short one.
Mm-hmm.
So stochastic was overvalued.
Okay.
Bounced 3 times from my price. So from a level. So what I did is I flipped because I thought it was short. That's a lot of the time a mistake that I do. I get out of my winning position to go reverse, and then I lose the reverse.
Exactly what I did that time.
Yep. Yeah, for me the RSI
Oh,
means a lot. So I read the RSI a lot, saying, you know, hey, when it is at the top or is at the bottom, how is it reacting to the top of the bottoms before market, pre-market, after pre-market, after it opened? And so I analyze the RSI a whole lot, because obviously we read the tape, but we don't have all the books, right, that are available out there. I think we've got 2 major ones for sure, because and it could be very, very similar on other tapes, but yeah.
But stochastic is doing like I just checked, and stochastic is basically the same as RSI.
So what is
Oh,
your
the same.
stochastic doing now?
It's plummeting.
Okay, so it's
The
going
short one
down?
is plummeting, and the higher one is high. So it's indicating me that, like, the higher one is saying to me, okay, watch out, it's overvalued in the long run.
Okay.
And the short one is saying, okay, we're at the middle of the range, like it's starting to fall.
So what would be, at this moment, what would be for the long to say, hey, you know what, I'm out for SPY? What's your level of pullback?
It would be my range of 79.13 to 79.50.
679.30 to 679.50. Okay.
13, 79.13.
Okay. So the positions right now that we've got on the tape, 679.20.
Yeah, like I would be normally buying the 679.13.
Yeah, that's what I mean. But now, if they really hold, it should hold that too. If I want to go back long, it would be from the
Okay.
aim for 682 after.
But the fact that you are approaching these questions right now, It's maybe you don't see it like that, but like it's a huge question, you know. It's for your like longer term trading because you will collect this information and at some point you're just gonna do whatever you have to do by instinct. Like I literally got to this conclusion like less than a month ago that when it pierces certain levels by too much, I just will go with those levels in toward that direction. So
Mhm.
I like right now I have a clear picture for when I want to break even, and for example is whenever it across the level. Like right now, if I have the 679 on Inspire, let's say, I cannot be breaking even because the level haven't been clear up for me. So once it clear up the 680 and it's trading above 680, if it comes in, I'm totally wrong. So breaking even makes sense if it's a trade that I'm willing to hold for the day or something like that. I would not expect that price to be printed again during the whole day.
Yeah, but based on that, it broke my level at 678.77. It broke up.
Mm-hmm.
So normally you put your stop loss under that level because if you break down, that means it didn't hold and it should come back down. But it did a wick under. I would have get out with that mentality too.
Hmm. I'm gonna be partially in soon on Nvidia. That's a very good trade.
Nice. You did this, you did better than me, like on Nvidia. You didn't take any partial?
Not yet. No, I will take one now.
My guy, you grew those balls a lot. See that?
Ay. Yes, my guy, I'm trying to.
I see that you watered them a lot.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh God, that's brilliant. Oh,
But like, you remember you
were
told me
so
that,
cute.
you remember you told me like people don't want to do that, like to hold the whole trade for the whole move. Like that's what I have been doing most of the time, and it's based on those things, you know, like that we were just talking there. Like, if you look, most of the days that you were off, that you were not here, like I got into trouble just last week, but most of the days I was taking trades, like one trade or two, and I have nothing to do. That I come, like I just say, hey Marie, tell me a story, and like.
Oh yeah,
remember?
you would.
I was holding basically from 9:30 to 4 p.m. something like that. So, and like it's based on those things that you have shown me. So, and like the things that we are discussing today about the tape and about when to hold it and when not. But the problem is like I got lazy. Like that's why like complacent you call it. I guess complacent. Basically, like because I was like I have like almost like a month without having a red day. So because I have like a month without having any red day, I say, you know what? I have a lot of profit. I can give it a shot there. I can give it a shot here, and then the quality of those entries were questionable. And like,
That's okay. It's gonna get me out.
well,
but
look to the point
I'll
that
go
it was
back to-
yesterday that I say, oh, tomorrow I'm coming and I take the good price or I don't take it.
Yes, it's a
You're
yes
taking
or
a break?
yes. Yes, I'm taking
Okay,
a break.
let's take a little break. We're gonna be back in a bit.
Like, are you? Do you think SPY will go back long? Because now I have like one hour. Nah, I'm out. I'm not in anything. But I want to get long at 79. I'm gonna be flat. At least today that stuff didn't crash.
There's a little bit of consolidation
We're
now.
back there, so let's see what it wants to do.
I'm just gonna redo my filters.
Canta y no llores. For sure, I'm breaking even in this trade. Just wanna see if I can be a little bit hard-headed on that one.
On which one?
In my trade on Nvidia, I wanna see if I can just say I want it at the price I want it or I don't want it. So I should be okay doing that, but I am wanting to take some partial. So let's just see if I am able to take any partial soon.
just to tell you, my guy,
Yeah.
Aurora is like remember when I was using the stochastic but like long term
Yeah.
catch the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Like I cut the bottom on Tesla, but then didn't work because I bought options and everything. But
Mm-hmm.
so right now, Aurora is at the most undervalued stochastic in the last like 5 years.
Are you kidding me? Like I have it. You're talking. I have it right in my face. Like I have been keeping it close just to because I know you have it and like, all those things. But like seems to be holding $4 quite well though. You bought more, or you are no adding to that?
I should buy more. I should buy more.
Did you see how down THB went?
No.
Like to 50 something cents.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now it's TBH actually.
44% down in 1 month.
Yeah. But like we were talking here, that's what they're gonna do. They want to make sure like it's okay. As I say, I'm against saying that it's manipulated, but
Yeah, you don't want to believe that, but it's so hard not to.
I remember I say it will pull back at least 40%. It already did that, so you pull a little bit more than 40%. So now is that it is attractive. Of course, I remember I say I will buy it at 90 cents, but I didn't trust it. And I have been looking at NUP too, like NEUP.
I still have it. And
Yeah, that one looks interesting to me. You know, like I know that thing went quite bad for them, but like yeah, I find it didn't went down too much for how it was actually. Like, look, we are holding previous prices before people start looking. Oh, they're gonna have a news and blah blah blah. Still trading above those prices. I'm talking this region here, so it is trading still above that. Guys, like Saki specifically, maybe you are more aware, but like I know we have been talking about Netflix acquiring Warner Brothers and all those things. Like,
but they didn't.
they no, I know that they have a situation with the DOJ, but like, what do you guys think about that? Like, Netflix is so young to be taking over those companies.
Let's say that their shareholders didn't like it.
The shareholders of Warner or
Netflix.
But like, I don't know if you have seen, but in the past, Netflix have taken their opinion and passed it through. You know, like they really don't care about them. Like
the opinion of others, no.
Oh no, yeah, I don't know if you remember. It was in Netflix that Bill Ackman lost like $400 million. Like, you remember that? And like a couple of days after, the stock went back up.
Went up.
Yeah. Like, I think they have been proving that their directions are okay. You know.
But I do agree. When we're looking at, there's a difference for sure.
Yeah.
Between
for sure.
Paramount and Netflix, right? So as far as experience, as far as filmmaking, all that good stuff, there's definitely a big difference between the two. And I believe as well, What I'm worried about is the direction or the collusion that is happening right now with the DOJ, because Netflix does not want to buy the news stations, but Paramount wants the whole kick and caboodle. The DOJ is leaning towards Paramount. He's communicated that. They're trying to say, and it's not completely false, they're trying to say that, hey, Paramount has a whole lot more experience, has been around a whole lot longer to be able to manage Warner Brothers properly and all that good stuff. But hey, what's wrong with change?
Well, my question is out of ignorance, and that's why I asked, like, because basically, is this a good thing? Is this is gonna be like a monopolized, like it has been already monopolized a bit, but like well, a bit, like, but yeah, like.
I find it would be more
What
of
is
a
the gain for the
monopoly.
whole?
It would be more monopolized if
you stay the way it is.
Warner Brothers and Paramount would join. Those are two big ones, right? So it leaves MGM. How many others, right? We've got
MGM is the one that is really like you say
it's
AMC.
huge. Hmm?
MGM is the one that I told that is related to AMC.
Mm-hmm. So yeah,
Guys, look at the SPY.
680.50 consolidation.
Yeah, looking for the high there. That doesn't look like a double top to me. But
That doesn't look like a double top.
yeah, like not like one that is gonna work.
I think it can work, man. But
It could, yeah, it could for sure.
So you're saying that it will not serve as a resistance. It's going to switch to support.
Yes.
Okay.
Like if I will be looking short
Mhm.
there, I will wait for it to break 681. And once it is above 681,
Mm-hmm.
then I will look for something. But below the level, like the way it looks, is like if it's accumulating force to break through.
When you're looking at the volume,
What is your suggestion, that the volume drop off too much?
mm-hmm. Okay, consolidation should end very shortly. I believe it's going to be 30 seconds max for the consolidation to end. And then we should see a direction. The weight distorts the offer.
Well, like whatever it does, it has already put a very nice move toward the upside. So
Mm-hmm.
like
Mm-hmm.
it's for sure justifiable that it will go pull back from there or something like that. It's a very nice move toward the upside. Though it is probably a daily volume, I don't know. Like notice that it didn't even offer 679 up to now. And it's wanting to test it again. Like it's the same behavior here. It never offered the 675. And it attempted twice, but like now it didn't offer the 679, this one,
Mm-hmm.
which was a clear level. And it's trying to break again. Maybe the third time is the charm, you say? But like, we're gonna see. That will be the third time. Because it did it with the 75. He did it right here.
Mm-hmm.
He did it right here. And now this is the third. So some exhaustion may come after that, but like, I don't want to bet on that one. Sweetheart, Alabama. Now it rejected by the pen.
Mm-hmm. Is it possible the tape is flipping to you, for you too?
For Nvidia,
Yeah, sure.
it's not flip.
It's not flip yet.
No, I know the bid is getting pulled out,
Mm-hmm.
but the ask is staying solid at 176, and all crowded around there. So I'm not flipping. It doesn't flip. The tape doesn't flip. I won't flip. Though I'm breaking even, that's why I say it's like I'm allowing myself to be hard-headed on that one.
Okay. You're permitting yourself to be hard-headed?
Yeah, because once you make, like if you make a higher highs, for sure I would take a partial, and then I leave the rest for whatever it wants to do.
Okay. Are you babysitting?
That was for Zach.
Yeah. I hear a soft voice.
It's my girlfriend talking to the cat.
Oh.
I'm babysitting two cats.
You know, Zach, the 79, the 679 right now, I wouldn't shoot it. It's lasting too long. So I think if he touches 679 now, it can probably go down. He's making bigger candles toward the downside, so maybe to keep your 1 hour is a good thing. Zach, do you find that your mentality changed from 9:30 to, like, let's say 11? Like, are you being like more agile and more reactive at the beginning of your day trading, and then you are like, oh, I can let it go? Or does that happen to you too?
Not really.
Not really. Yeah. Okay.
Perform better after 10 too. Always.
Oh yeah.
You got a better
Understanding.
understanding, vision, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Brr.
Brr. Yeah, it's getting cold here. When I wake up today, it was like minus 12. It's like, what the heck is this?
Oh, we were so happy.
Yeah, for the rink.
Oh, last night we had a pool going on.
Yeah.
Like during the day, a pool. Like the first 2 inches was just water. So last night when it started to freeze over, and
Okay.
Joe, like, practically, he doesn't even talk loud. But that came out very loud and clear. We're gonna get a flash freeze.
Really nice.
Yeah. Oh, so many hours of watering, right? To just see it. And it was taking a big chance. Big chance.
But you only have to survive for a couple more days the way it is, and like, then you are secure.
Excuse me, today, and hopefully tomorrow, we're not gonna get the weather of +7.
Yeah, that looks like, that's what I say. Like, it looks like we were going to get 7, and then it's like minus 12. I said, well, I think you were wrong, guys, on that one, you know?
Yeah, it's supposed to be +7, and Friday and Saturday, flash freeze.
And it's weird because, for example, I say when I wake up it was minus 12. Right now it's only minus 3. So the fluctuations are so hard. Like,
We're right on the cusp.
yeah, mine say like tomorrow morning it's gonna be 6 degrees, and it's gonna be raining.
And that's what we're worried about. Not tomorrow.
But then we have a lot of snow.
Tomorrow. If it's snow, we're good. If
Like
it's
during the
rain,
weekend we have roughly 3 centimeters of snow. And Sunday, overnight, it will reach minus 14. I say that it will feel like minus 20. You are okay.
yes, as long as the rain tomorrow is not too strong and it doesn't erode too much. Like yesterday, Joe was working a lot on the leaks all around, making sure to stomp and put snow and to solidify the snow and
Around the rink,
Come
around the rink. Come on, Google, get me
Yeah.
out.
And this year he's thinking of inviting the neighborhood kids as well. There's a lot of hockey players.
I remember,
On
like,
our
one
street.
kid showed up one time and he asked, like, hey, can I play? You remember that?
Mm-hmm.
It was like 2 years ago, I think.
And he did.
Yeah.
At first, Joe was like, well, I'm a little worried because what if they fall and they hurt themselves? And Well, you know, you go on the lake, you go.
Yeah,
Even if you go into the arena, the chances of them falling and hurting themselves are still
it's
there.
yeah,
right?
it's like
So.
I remember falling on your rink. Actually, you remember? Oh my god, that was painful.
Oh, did you take flight? The best one was Max. But you were close to that.
Was it that he broke his coxie?
Yes.
Aye, aye, aye.
He went literally when he lost balance with such momentum that his feet went up and he was vertical about 4 feet off the ground
Holy crap.
and then fell on the ice.
Yeah,
It's
he told me the
really-
story, but I didn't know it was at your place.
Yes. You know, you kind of go a little too fast. You kind of show off. You know, you kind of want to keep up with the other ones. And then you kind of fall.
Yeah,
Yeah, for sure. If you invite me, I'll come for sure.
Well, you're invited. You've got an open invitation. So, yes, please.
yeah, like
Zach.
you just need to coordinate what day works for you and what day works for them too.
Absolutely.
And I would join for sure.
It will be so much fun.
Normally we go weekends because it's people don't work and blah blah blah.
Mhm. And it would be fun for you guys to be there with the guys too, because to actually, like, they're
But
so
for them
good.
to kick our butt, that's what you are saying.
No, but to actually have some competition, because like with you two,
Well, for SAC that will be because
your size, your
like I do not compete with I don't have the skills to compete with any of you. So but for SAC, yes, for sure it will be more demanding.
Like Sunday, are you guys available?
Oh, you're back on Sunday?
I'm
Yeah,
back
it's
on
coming
Saturday.
Okay. Yeah, let me look at that for the Sunday to see if the kids are coming, when they're coming, all that good stuff.
Davey, are you available? Or?
Yeah, I am. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I
And you're-
live like a couple corners from her. So
Yeah, me too, man. That's the thing.
Yeah, him too. We
But-
walk to his house practically every time.
The only thing is that maybe by this Sunday, like the rink is not gonna be optimal. Like
Yeah, we'll have to look
like we
at
have
the
the
temperature
snow.
as well.
Like tomorrow there
Mhm.
is rain.
It's -7 on the.
Yeah, but what I mean is like they are still they are using it, but they are still like building it up.
Oh no, it's ready.
It's already-
Oh, it was beautiful.
Okay.
Like
Oh, yeah,
Saturday,
yeah.
it's -8 during the night, and Sunday it will be -2. So it will be nice to be outside at -2.
Mm-hmm. You have hockey
Yeah.
sticks?
Oh, we've got
Me-
hockey stick coming out of our
No,
washer.
you I know, but Zach.
Yeah, I have one.
Nice.
Yeah, we've got a lot of hockey. God, we got a lot of hockey sticks.
Yeah, it's
We've
Yeah.
got a lot of pucks.
I'm not bringing my whole hockey bag, but only my skates, my.
No, you
gloves.
should. Why not?
I don't have place
Eh?
in the car.
in the car.
For your bag?
Like the whole hockey bag, like my whole equipment.
Yeah, like because what happened is that all these things he have them in Quebec. So right now he's coming to Gatineau with all these things. So if you have to put an extra bag in there, it's a lot of things.
Okay.
It's a big bag.
But yeah, no kidding. I see the kids coming in with them. Oh, and when they're telling me, "Hey, Mère, I got a new stick," they give me the stick. Davy, this is heavy.
Yeah, you told me like it's a very
Yeah, it's light. Yeah, the new sticks are crazy.
And like at their age, right? And they're like, "Oh yeah, Mère, I got a new stick." Jonathan, he's obsessed with sticks. Matthew, it's with skates.
Skates.
So we just got a pair of new skates that are goalie skates because he's a goaler. You know how much the skates were?
I don't know. I don't want to know, probably.
What do you think, Zach?
600.
He's close, actually. $850
Oh, crap.
for a pair of skates. And he's in full growth mode right now, right?
Yeah, a couple months after, I need a
We
new
don't-
ones.
So, and Jonathan, it's sticks. So he gives me the sticks. He brings me the sticks. He's so proud. Hey, Mamere, you gotta weigh this, and I make a big deal too, right? That when I get it in my arms and in my hand, I don't even think if it weighs a quarter pound, it's heavy. Incredible.
What are they made of?
And they're
Carbon
like,
fiber?
yeah, composite, and they're like $300.
Yeah, like sticks are crazy right now.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
the captain of Kachuk, the captain of Ottawa, it's over $100,000 a year in sticks that he costs the
Aye,
hockey.
aye.
Oh yeah, his team, and you're like, what the hell? They're so insane.
Because he breaks them on people head.
And they're very specialized. Like we just saw, we couldn't believe the flex, the bow on the stick because of they're all almost custom made to them.
That's what I was going to ask. Like, I'm pretty sure that
Yeah,
those
they have the
players.
curve.
Oh mon dieu! Well,
The curve.
so you've got the
Flex.
curve on the palette on the end of it, but you also have the flex on the stick, right? So
And you also have where the flex is applied at
correct.
the length of the stick.
Mm-hmm. So some it's in the middle, some like it at the bottom, it's incredible the
usually-
technology.
Usually the defense like it more at the bottom
Correct.
and not flexible sticks to do slap shot more easily.
From the
And
point
forward is like more flex sticks
in the middle.
in the middle. Yeah.
Yeah. I agree.
I just learned something new.
Oh yeah. Oh, the technology of a
yeah.
stick, it's incredible.
Like last year, I broke my stick in the outdoor rink, and I went to buy another one, and I didn't remember the flex that I was taking, so I took one, and it's super flexible. Holy shit!
It's almost like a toothbrush, right? You're saying, oh,
I cannot slap shot.
It bends too much.
Oh, yeah.
Oh
A
yeah.
slap shot is it going to the side. But the shot with that, like
Oh.
it flick really easily. So
Very nice.
Oh yeah. The kids, they practice like when they come exactly that. That's what they do. Like Jonathan, he's going to be there and practice for
I'm sure he's practicing the toe drag corner bedar shot.
yeah, he does. He likes to absolutely the toe drag, but he likes to as well now because he's moved his position. He's always been a winger, and now he's center. So he's taking all of the oh mon dieu, the not the playoff. Drop the puck.
Yes.
So he's taking all of the because he's a center, right? So, and it's so incredible. The shots now that he's practicing, he's trying from the middle of the ice to hit the crossbar on a goal. And you're
That's-
saying, are you kidding me? Why do you want to do that? To hit the crossbar? Incredible. The shots that they're trying to
To
do.
be that precise.
Oh yes, the crossbar. Just so then he says, if I'm able to hit the crossbar consistently, I'll be able to do right underneath. And say poof. But it's fun. They're streaming it, so okay.
So you can shot at your rink.
You can what?
You can shot at your rink.
Oh yeah.
That they do it a lot.
Oh
like,
my God! Hey, I received so many slap shots
Yeah, like-
when I was in the because I was a goalie. So many slap shots that the plastic on my blade, were all broken. Like they shoot, they don't hold back. So now on one side, because we've got maybe about 100 pucks, Zach, and we've got tarps behind the nets. Because
Yeah, that's what I mean.
their shots are so hard they break the fence.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, that's what I meant. Do you have something in the back of the
Yes, so we've got
Inside.
2 nets and we've got tarps.
And sometimes it's just a matter of we go and look at the other side.
Hey,
You know?
in the spring, both, we're very, very lucky. Both of our neighbors just
Yeah.
throw the pucks over. So we find pucks, like they find it in their plants, in their pool, in their everything. And we usually have pucks thrown over till about almost summer.
Yeah, like when I went there last time, like we were shooting pretty hard, Joe and I,
Ooh,
like to each other. So like, yeah, that doesn't seem to be a problem.
no. And
I'm
when,
excited. Man.
pardon?
I'm excited.
Just don't break my leg, you know.
Oh man, don't worry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's pretty
this is-
cool. Well, it helps to love. We were talking about that yesterday too. Like they started at 2 years old,
Yeah,
right? So they started to skate at our place at 2. Joe started to do
like those
the
kids
ring.
grew up in those skates. It's like-
Absolutely, absolutely. Right? So
and
it's
they
so
play through
sweet.
summer. They play the whole year pretty much.
Oh yeah, they're in leagues all summer.
Yeah.
Yeah. And right now they're both in 2 leagues. So they've got the house league and the competitive league. Matthew is in a competitive league in the high school league. So they're both like,
I
And-
can tell you that the smallest of the kids, Jonathan, is like impressively fast. Like that kid is impressively fast. Like I have watched hockey games and I have seen this kid moving.
yeah, when he puts the burner, Joe told me that this year, so okay. Well, I think that this is the year that I'm finally not going to be able to catch up. Yeah.
Like I
We
played just
knew
once
that
with
the
him.
year would come.
I was like, really? He's doing that in skates? Like he was like,
Oh well, I'm sure Zach is the same. It's like an extension of their, like for them, it's what they do on skates. They don't think about it, right? They reverse, they go back, they say backward, forward, sideways, on their knees, on their, right?
Yeah,
It's just a
it's normal
second,
fitness.
yeah, it's second nature for them. It's almost like you say, they were born with it, right? So it's just beautiful to see.
if you see a
yeah,
spot.
so,
Sorry, yeah.
yes,
go
so let
for-
me know on Sunday. I'll be there.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, like I see a spy. He tried to make a lower low. He did actually make a lower low, but he didn't print a 579, and he's trying to go back up again. So that's kind of weird. But I would consider that strength because I see the other equities, Google, Nvidia,
Very green.
Tesla, they are pushing in that little push from a spy. So if I take correlation into account, that looks like a strength.
And it touched the top of my range at 679.55.
And that's why he probably is bouncing.
Yeah.
Around
So do you-
the world.
So
Yeah.
did you
wrap
want
it
to
up?
wrap it up?
Yeah.
Oh, it's true. Yeah, yes, sir. And
Because I know that you need to
I
finish
have
early.
to go to work early today because I am coming early. I have to
Larry's party.
babysit the girls tonight. So, all right. So, I just have one tray here, and basically that tray is in BDA. So, here I got out with very nice profit that I got overnight, and then I say, you know what? today I want a good price or I don't want it. So I dropped off an order there and I forgot about it and I looked eventually, but like I didn't pay much attention. I just say, I know that's a good price. I'm gonna try to get it.
You didn't take partial yet?
No, I haven't. Like when you make a higher high, I say like once because
Okay.
I think it's gonna make a higher high. So, but yeah. So I haven't taken any partial here. Like this is a very clean chart. So we have some potential here. So yeah, but basically just like overnight liquidation here, and then long here, like looking for hey how high this can go. So but yeah, I was disciplining my entry. I was just waiting for it. I basically bought the 200 moving average in the 5 minute, and you see how now it's curling back up, which is very sweet. So in the last week, the best day for sure. Like I mean, it's just like a green and it's looking good. But yeah, it's just like you know, it takes an elephant sometimes to go back to your discipline. So, that's it for me. I only took that trade. So and I will be taking partial soon. What about you, Marie?
Okay, so I had a trade overnight in QULR, which was a good one. Got out with A2R, which I was happy this morning.
Good that you came out because he got mute after.
Oh, I did it go kaboom, right? So then what I was doing is this morning it was, let me see which one was first. Yes, so it was SoFi. So SoFi, what I did is I switched my position. So exactly what happened to what we were talking about, Zach.
Holy crap.
So I went long when I started at 9:30. So when I went long though, I went long at 26.40, and then I added at the 26.30, and I wasn't able to survive the pullback. So I got out with and that was a long. So I got out with the 2R there. Then what I did is I said, well, guess what? I'll flip and I'll go short. So then I went short, and when I went short at the 26.30. And guess what happened? It reversed at 26.05, so then I took a loss on the upswing. So then I said, you know what? I don't see it properly. I guess I'm not reading it properly. I'm going to walk away. But what did it do after? It did what we were thinking of. It did long. So I wasn't able to survive the pullback because I added too much. So then I went to ANTC.
We have to work in your English, you know?
You what?
We have to work in your English. What did you just say?
INTC.
We can repeat it in the show? INTC? Yeah, got you.
What did I say?
INTC.
Okay, I thought it was INTC.
It's good, it's good.
Okay, so INTC.
Spending too much time with the Latin family,
Yeah,
you know?
I went short INTC at 3601. 3601. And did not take any partial. Reversed at 36.65. I was really thinking it was going to go to 35.50. The reversal was going to be at 35.50, and then I was going to go long. So then I reversed my position. I went long. So that's my best trade was INTC. So I went long at 36. And I was able to take partial at 36.40, 36.55. 36.70, and then I just got out and break even. So, and then it started to consolidate sideways, so I left. Yeah, so that was a good trade there. And then I went to Rivian. So for me, Rivian was a long.
Yeah, a lot of ticket today, huh?
Yes, absolutely. So then I went to Rivian and I went long at 1860. And then I just said, you know what, I don't want to lose more than I have to here, so I'm going to break even, and I got out at 1860 on the pullback, and now it's pulling up on the long run. So A little impatient, when you're looking at the consolidation of the market from, it's been consolidating since 10:30 this morning to 11:30, just going sideways, caught in that range there. Obviously, that's where the stocks as well went. So for me, Rivian still looks very, 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 very bullish. But yeah, I got out of it.
Okay.
And that's it for me.
Okay. What about you, Zach?
For me, it was only SPY,
Right.
usual. So I went at 9:41. I went long. Got stepped out.
Right here. Okay.
Yeah, went long. Then try again. Got stepped out again.
Right.
Yeah, that was my mistakes of the day. Like
So too long here. This
there.
Yeah.
Then I tried long at 10:10. The time.
Okay.
Tried long. Got stepped out because it was my like I had two levels there.
Yeah, that was the one that shake you out.
No, it was the one before.
One before. Okay.
But what I mean is I had two levels, and I tried the first one, like that long at 10:10, was trying to bounce from the first level. Then it break. Then I got in at the other level, top plus below the low of the day. Like
Right here.
not of the day, but of the last pullback.
Okay.
Then I saw that it worked, so I added another 5 share, another 5 contract because it was
Holding.
like bouncing from my range. Then it worked, took partial along the way. Then got out at 10:29
Holy
and
crap.
then flipped my position, tried the long.
You almost got the whole move.
Mhm.
Around here. About right here.
And then I got long, then I got stepped off. That was,
Okay.
I'm missing a quarter of the movement.
Okay.
So,
Wow, so that's
So-
pretty good, Zach.
Yeah, you were able to pay everything back and be green for the day, so that's cool.
and so yeah, I was down like 4 hours. It's no good. I was down 4 hours, then I put it back and then put 1 hour in green. So it's a 5-hour trade.
Nice.
Very nice.
But I have to be more. I don't know what I had of today, but I was trying the same level 2 times. And then on the second pullback, my first long was a long at a range that didn't work at the first pullback. So why did I enter? I don't know.
Normally, when you do that, when he does that, you have a rule that say that you're gonna do no enter.
Yeah, but like the level is not valid. Very, like, I would need to wait for real confirmation. Now it just touched. I went in,
Okay.
and it didn't confirm before that it was good. So why would I go?
Okay.
But that was a mistake, and yeah, and too long before. In the first pullback, I tried twice. I don't know why. I tried once, I got stepped out. I tried another one, and I got stepped out. That's the one that I got chased. Like,
You're chasing the price?
no, but that's the on the pullback that I got stepped out by the wick.
Okay.
But then it worked. So I was so convinced that it was gonna work that I kept trying.
Very nice. You make it back, so that's good. Right.
So now the account I'm 2 hours down. We'll see.
You were how many down?
On the account, I'm 2 hours down.
Yeah, now you are 2, but you recuperate how many?
20.
Okay. Nice. That's good. That's good. Little by little. Some of those things were not your fault. Remember the thing. So.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna wrap it up right there. I hope. Man, I think it's Friday today. I don't know why.
Yeah, you keep it.
I was going to say have a good weekend and blah blah blah, but no. We're gonna be here tomorrow. Tomorrow is triple witching day, so we have to remember that because triple witching days the market does move a lot, especially being the last one of the year. Especially knowing that we got better print on the CPI, a interest rate cut that we already got, sorry. And yeah, it's gonna be funny tomorrow probably. I don't know if that's a thing that we can say, but I know it's gonna be good tomorrow. It's gonna be a very
Usually the market is volatile.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And like that move normally manifests the most after 3 p.m. So just watch out for that. Yeah. So I hope everybody have a good one. We will see you tomorrow. So see you then. Bye.
Right.